Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Speaks, where learning English is simple, calm, and enjoyable. I'm Adam.
Hello, Adam, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
Sarah, you look very relaxed today. You seem peaceful.
I feel peaceful because the year is coming to an end. It's a special time, isn't it?
It really is. The end of the year always makes me think a lot.
Me too. We think about what happened, what we learned, and what we want next.
And that's why today's episode is very important.
Yes, today we're talking about how to plan your new year in a simple and realistic way.
Planning sounds serious, but I hope we'll keep it easy.
Of course, no stress, no pressure, just clear ideas and simple English.
That's perfect for me. My life gets messy when I don't have a plan.
You're not alone. Many people feel the same way.
Before we start, friends, can we ask you for a small favor?
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video.
And subscribe to Mr. English Speaks so we can learn together every week.
You can also share this video with someone you care about. Planning together is very motivating.
All right, Sarah. I'm ready. Where do we begin?
We begin with something very important. We begin with the past.
The past? But we're talking about the new year.
Yes, but before moving forward, we need to look back.
Okay, that makes sense.
This step is called reflection.
Reflection. So I think about my year.
Exactly. You ask yourself simple questions like, what made me happy this year?
I like that question.
Take a notebook or even your phone and write 3 good moments from this year.
Let me try. I learned to cook a few simple meals this year.
That's great. How did that make you feel?
Proud. And more independent.
That's why reflection is powerful. It helps you understand yourself better.
I already feel more positive.
Good. Now let's move to the next step.
What's step 2?
Choose one main goal for the new year.
Only one? That's hard.
I know, but one clear goal is better than many confusing goals.
All right. I think my goal is to improve my English speaking.
That's an excellent goal. Now we make it easier.
How?
We break it into small actions.
Like speaking every day?
Yes, but start small. Maybe speak English for 10 minutes a day.
That sounds possible.
Small steps build confidence.
I like that idea.
Now step 3 is something very practical.
Tell me.
Use a calendar.
I always forget important dates.
That's why a calendar is your best friend.
What should I write in it?
Birthdays, holidays, and also rest days.
Rest days?
Yes, rest is just as important as work.
I usually feel guilty when I rest.
You shouldn't. Rest helps you stay strong and focused.
That's a good reminder.
Now there's another beautiful idea.
What is it?
Choose a word of the year.
One word?
Yes, a word that guides your actions.
What's your word, Sarah?
My word is balance.
Balance. That's a powerful word.
It reminds me not to work too much and not to rest too much, and
I think my word is confidence.
that's a wonderful choice.
When I feel afraid, I'll remember my word.
Exactly. One word can change how you think.
Now let's talk about English learning.
Yes, because language learning needs planning too.
Many people say, I want to speak perfect English.
That's a dream, but it's too big.
So what should they say?
Say something clear and simple like, I will learn 3 new words every day.
That sounds easy.
And easy habits last longer.
I agree. Big plans often fail.
Also, choose a fixed time for English.
Like every evening?
Yes, same time, every day.
That builds a routine.
Exactly.
Sarah, you love notebooks, don't you?
I do, and that's my next tip.
Let me guess. Buy a new notebook.
Yes. A new notebook for the new year feels special.
It feels like a fresh start.
Write your goals on the first page.
Can I decorate it?
Of course. Make it yours.
I'm starting to feel excited about the new year.
That's the goal.
Let's review for our listeners.
First, reflect on the past year.
Second, choose one main goal.
Third, break it into small steps.
Fourth, use a calendar.
Fifth, choose a word of the year.
And finally, plan your English learning simply.
Perfect summary.
Sarah, this conversation helped me a lot. I'm very happy to hear that. Friends, now it's your turn,
In the comments, tell us your goal for the new year.
or your word of the year.
We love reading your comments, and
And if you're new here, please subscribe to Mr. English Speaks.
we'll be here to support you all year long.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
We wish you a calm, confident, and successful new year.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and take care.